Hello friends, today we are going to be making a quick healthy breakfast option that is mixed vegetable poha recipe. Poha is nothing but aval or avalaki. So we are going to be using potato, peas, carrots to make this mixed vegetable poha today. I am also using onions, ginger, green chilies and white poha. You can also use red or brown poha. I've soaked about 2.5 cups of poha for like 5 minutes in water. Come on, now let's go and get started with the recipe. In a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using cold pressed peanut oil today. You can also use ghee or coconut oil in place of this. Once the oil is hot enough, let's add about 10 to 12 broken cashews. I'm going to be frying these cashews on medium flame till they are golden and beautifully brown. I'm doing all this in medium flame. So once these cashews turn a golden brown, let's drain them and add them along with the soaked poha. Now next, we are going to be preparing the basic tadka for this mixed vegetable poha recipe. So let's get started. I'm going to be adding 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of mustard seeds now. I'm going to allow the mustard seeds to pop nicely. Now we will be adding 1 teaspoon of urad dal, that is broken white urad dal. Once the dal begins to brown, I'm going to be adding a pinch of Asafoetida, that is hing or perengayam. So now the dal has almost nicely browned. At this point, I'm going to be adding 4 to 5 slit green chilies, 10 curry leaves chopped finely and 2 teaspoons finely chopped ginger. I have also chopped a cup of finely chopped onions. I'm going to be adding it now. Let's give it a good mix. And now we're going to be frying the onions on medium flame till they turn translucent and pink. We're not going to be browning them today. It's just going to be soft, pink and translucent onions for this mixed vegetable poha today. I'm again cooking all of this on medium flame. So the onions are almost halfway done. At this point, I'm going to be adding the salt required for this recipe. Adding salt at this stage speeds up the cooking process and also helps in cooking vegetables quickly and evenly. So let's give it a good mix. So the onions are almost done. So if I'm going to be frying for like 1 or 2 more minutes, the onions will be perfectly done. So now I'm adding half a cup green peas. I'm using frozen ones today. Fresh green peas also works. Along with it, 1 medium potato peeled and cubed. Let's fry this for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame again. Now I'm going to be adding 1 medium carrot peeled and cubed. Do not worry about cooking the veggies at this stage because we are going to be cooking them covered in a little bit of water further. So I'm frying it for a minute. And now it's almost done. At this point, I'm going to be adding 1 small tomato finely chopped. Let's give it a good mix and continue to cook till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. So it's almost done. Now I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi or manja podi. Now let's mix it well. I'm doing all of this on medium flame only. So now I'm going to be adding a 1/4 cup of water. Do not add more water because then the water takes longer to evaporate and the poha also becomes mushy. So 1/4 cup is just fine. Now cover and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. This is just to soften up the veggies. In the meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and also do not forget to press the bell button to get instant updates about all our latest recipes and videos. Thank you friends. Now let's check if our veggies are cooked and done. So yes, the veggies are cooked, but there's a little bit of water. So we'll cook it further for all the water to evaporate. Otherwise the poha is going to be very mushy. We want fluffy and beautifully done poha over here. So let's wait for the moisture to evaporate. It's almost done now. I'm going to be adding the soaked poha and fried cashews. And now we're going to be mixing it. Mix, mix, mix. Mix nicely till it's all well incorporated. So it's almost done now. I've mixed it thoroughly, making sure that there are no lumps and that the veggies and the poha has coated each other well. So if you can see, it's perfectly done. Fluffy poha, fluffy and soft mixed vegetable poha is ready, my friends. Go on and have a look. Those golden brown crispy cashews served on a plate with some yogurt. Mixed vegetable poha is really heavenly as breakfast or even as dinner. Thank you for watching, friends.